Hi, greetings from Kesar Patel, an educator. I have been in education since 21 years, started working as a trainee teacher and graduated to being a principal. I am a national award winner. My topic for the national award was innovations in education, and I brought in an exit ticket, which is called, and it was a great super hit idea with my students also, in my school also, and so it won me a national award at the hands of our Honorable Minister, Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal. So I'm also a motivational speaker, teacher trainer, and I take public speaking courses to improve your public speaking skills. So that is another aspect of me. Speaking about online education, when the lockdown happened and we all practically jumped into the online education, yes, the first thing which was available, Zoom, the free version of it, we all used that. But before the teachers were put in front of the students, what we did was we had practice sessions which were teachers teaching other teachers. So whatever flaws, whatever problems were coming out of it were removed easily, and finally, when the teacher went in front of the students, she was very confident. She knew what problems she was going to face. So that was one thing which, like she got an advantage, and she was very happy with that. But of course, dealing with different platforms, WhatsApp and other things, all at the same time was creating a problem. Problem in the sense it was creating more of a digital fatigue for the teacher, and there were problems of attention with the students. So definitely a need was felt that if we could have one platform where we are delivering an online class, recording the attendance of the students, giving them homework or assignments, assessments, the next, grading putting them marks, marking them, how to do it. So definitely there was a need for all of this, because working on different platforms, if you are using Zoom, then WhatsApp, then Google Forms, then some other medium for subjective and objective tests, it is cumbersome because the teacher has to switch between so many apps. She has to remember that I have to upload my assessment on this, I have to take an online class on this platform. So all of it, if it is combined and given into one learning management system, nothing like it. And finally, when we got it, it was really good. Though there were some problems related to that also, because internet connectivity was a great issue. But anyways, all of that was overcome. And definitely, if there is one tool which serves all purpose, nothing like it. It's really beneficial, and it helped. So this was how we dealt with the online classes during lockdown and the problems that we faced. And switching between different platforms is cumbersome for the teachers, because she has to remember what all has to be done. One point is that even if a learning management system is in place, so where the parents can interact with the teacher can send the messages, the principal can send a message to the teacher. Apart from that also, the parent likes to be connected with the teacher through WhatsApp, just to create a personal connect. And there are doubts, there are problems which cannot be solved through everything. So that is a different scenario. But if one particular tool is given to the teacher, definitely it helps a lot. It helps saves time also actually. And online learning is here to stay. So all of us has to really get used to it and adapt it, take it on very enthusiastically. And let's hope that we have one particular such online platform which is easy to use, easy to navigate, give solutions to all the problems. Really hoping for that one magical wand or a genie which lands in the field of education, so that every one of us gets benefited. So that was all from me, Kesar here. Thank you and have a great day.